If I had the least bit of doubt that I could win this seat, I wouldn't have taken it. If there's doubt in my mind that the seat could not be won, I wouldn't have taken it.
The Jamaica Observer posted an interview this morning with 38-year-old Davion Vassell, the Jamaica Labour Party's candidate for St. Andrew East Central. Vassell confidently declared that if he had even the slightest doubt about winning the seat, he wouldn't have accepted the challenge. While reading through the comments, one particular comment stopped me in my tracks. This person said, "Nah go happen. PNP control all the ghettos in Kingston and St. Andrew." It made me pause and ask myself, is this a good thing or a bad thing? I was genuinely surprised, not just by the comment itself, but by what it might say about our political mindset. If our living situation, i.e., the ghettos, are controlled by one political party, wouldn't we not want change? I mean, I know Tivoli Gardens is controlled by the Jamaica Labour Party and parts of West Kingston. I know things have changed a lot recently, but it's just surprising that, from what this person said, that the People's National Party controls most of the ghettos in Kingston and St. Andrew. What do you guys think?